Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this 2023 Honda Passport key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you only need this battery 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you slide it this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. And when you remove the mechanical key, now turn the fob like this to the bottom, and right in this space over here between these two pieces you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here like this. And when you insert it, now twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate into two pieces, make sure this side with the buttons is facing down, because you can very easily lose these buttons. Alright, now when you separate into two pieces, right after that here on this side you zero that battery. And now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right here or on this side, it doesn't matter, whatever you find easier, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, when you install your new battery like this, now make sure this side here is the positive side, that facing up. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them like this, all corners to match perfectly, everything have to match perfectly, and now just snap them together. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key, put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.